Alright, now let's talk about the next bug, which is HTML injection store block. So click on this. Now it redirects us to HTML I store.php. Now here we have text area field. It says HTML injection store block. So let's enter something. Let's type something. Hello there, and let's submit this. It actually sends request to this and store it in the database. And this is also just getting the data from user and storing in the database without validation. So let's type some HTML to see if this reflects. That should reflect now. As you can see, we see the HTML here. So we are storing actually this in the database. So let's try some scripts. Script alert. This is stored in the database. Now let's end the script. If this execute this script, then we can execute any bad scripts. As you can see, the alert is here. So now this is stored in the database. So if someone else visits this page, they will also see this is stored in the database alert. So any bad scripts can be written here. So let's try to see the cookies, and let's alert it. And the command for viewing the cookie, which are currently 9 cookies. So the command for that is document dot cookie. And let's end the script and let's submit. Now you can see here we see all the cookies that are stored for this bWAPP. So, and we can let's try another script. We can redirect someone that visits this. So command for the redirecting is window.location.href equals to, let's redirect it to the home page. And remember, we are storing this, so it will execute this forever until this is stored in the database. So now if I submit this alert, second alert, and as you can see, we are redirected to the portal.php file. So if I visit there again, which was htmli underscore store.php, alert, another alert, and again we are redirected to the portal.php. So that page is now gone forever until we refresh the database and delete those bad scripts. Let's try to store an actual form here. So as you can see, we can store any HTML. So let's inject the whole form, the whole HTML form. So let's do it. This is just a simple HTML file. Let's quickly create HTML form with the, let's say, post request and action. We'll see this later. Let's create form groups. I'm just thinking about username and password. So it is type of text, and name is username, and label is also username. Let's do the same for password, and the type is password. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create a separate type of form and inject this to the, let's say, login, and the type is by default login. So we don't need to insert the type as login. Let's paste the form. Let's submit this. Now as it is here, but we don't have any action. So let's create a simple file for action. Let's start a server. Let's go one step back, and let's create a directory, hacker server, let's say, and inside here let's create a file with name. Let's try this. File name will be hacker.php, and here we will have just a PHP file. For now we are just checking if there is a post request with the username, then there should be also a password. Let's just dump these for now. Otherwise you can store these in, if this is some sort of a real website, you can store this in the database. So post of username, I'm just printing these so we can see that it is working or not. Oh, lost it. PHP. Yes. let's create it quickly. Let's write it in this. Just we're dumping the username, $_post request of username and password. Let's paste these inside this file. Let's save this and let's exit from here. So, and let's start another server, so which we will include in this action. So this should be HTTP because it is local. So just the port number will be different, 127.0.0.1 colon, let's say 8888, and the file is hacker.php. Let's save this. No, save it. Let's start server. So I'll start another terminal. As you can see, we have hacker.php file. So let's start server with that host and port. Now it is started. So we will redirect users and to this file. So and let's start this again. Let's insert this malicious form. Inserted 404. So it is on wrong place, so we need to start a server here. And started. Let's copy this again. Go back. Go back. What's going on? Yes. So here, just paste that form. You see, this is updated one, which sends post request to this our web URL, and let's submit this. It will add this right here. Now it is here. So let's say someone is entering the credentials, and if I click on login, as you can see, we saw the credentials using where dump. So we are redirected to the bad host which we started right here. So that is HTML injection on store base. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next bug.